Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new to resin and would love to go on this journey with me into the resin world and projects, I would love to have you. I'm going to make a resin bowl today. I'm fairly new to resin, but I am learning all the tricks and tips and want to share them with you. I'm going to make this resin bowl today. It's inspired by Valentine's Day, actually. And I'm using Teexpert epoxy resin, and I have mixed it. It's a two-part resin, A and B, and you have to follow the directions on the resin that you use. This resin works best for me for this project. I have added some foil like sprinkles to make it a little shimmery, and then alcohol ink, and then poured clear resin on top of that. And I'll just go back and forth with the alcohol inks and the clear resin. All of these I've got from Amazon, and I'll leave the links in my descriptions. It's so easy. Even the mold came from Amazon. You just go back and forth. I'm using red and pink alcohol inks, and then the Teexpert resin or epoxy resin. And like I said, you just go back and forth. The red will take over in the coloring. The darker colors, if you ever use, you can use whatever colors you want, but the darker colors seem to take over the resins. I'm now using a wooden, like a skewer stick that you can get those from Dollar Tree. And I'm trying to get out the air bubbles. You don't want air bubbles in your project because it will cause holes once it's cured. So you want to get out all the bubbles, and the longer you wait, usually I wait and try to get my temperature of my resin to 32 degrees. I have a digital thermometer that I use, and it seems that's the best temperature for me. And I've tried this trial and error, so that seems to be the best temperature. And now I'm just going to let this cure. See all the little sparklies in my project there, and I've gotten most of the bubbles out that I can see. And now I'm going to demold this, and these molds are some of them are fairly easy. Some of them are difficult because they, stick to the project. You just have to be careful so you don't break or bend what you're working on. This one came out fairly easy. And look how pretty it is. It's got some little sparkles. It's red and pink for Valentine's Day. It's so cute. And it's a little trinket dish. You can put your keys in it, jewelry. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe.